Morning guys, Mark here with Myrtle Beach Generators. So this customer had given us a call because we had a voltage code, we had a RPM code, and there was a whole lot of ruckus being made when this unit would start. So obviously I came out to do a diagnosis the other day. I didn't know it was going to be this bad, but we were having only one cylinder firings, which is why it was revving up really high. At the time, it wasn't making a whole lot of noise, but I found little pieces of plastic over here by the oil cooler, which usually means that, the fans come apart, which happens sometimes. Well, now that we got into it, you can see, if you look down here, the whole magneto has broken off and has been wedged in the fan. That's the magneto. And it has destroyed the fan, and we got a broken bolt right here. So we're gonna attempt to replace, I ordered the fan, we're gonna replace this magneto and see if I can find a bolt that's gonna fit this as well, and see if we can get this customer back up and running today. Okay, so we've replaced the fan assembly, which I had on my truck, so we ordered it in specifically for this customer. And we also went ahead and replaced the magnetos, which between this magnet and the magneto needs to be about the thickness of a business card. That's your magnet. Although some people would suggest replacing this flywheel and magnet because you can't get just a magnet, you gotta do the whole flywheel. I'm gonna clean this up with a little bit of emery cloth, and then we're gonna put it back together because I don't believe there's anything wrong with this flywheel. And I inspected this harness, which Generac recommends replacing when you're in here. However, I've never actually seen one go bad. The only time I've seen one go bad is when it's been damaged or broken on something else, but I haven't found any issues with this one other than it's ugly. So we're going to go ahead and send it, and we'll check back in a minute. So on this unit, we just finished replacing the magnetos and the intake fan. As I showed you earlier, it had come apart and destroyed the fan, and the actual magneto broke off of the block. So we got all that replaced, and we were able to do a maintenance on it as well, and let's see what she sounds like now.